Thinking of buying a car? Great, just make sure it does not come with a free subscription to your local mechanic. While some vehicles promise smooth rides and luxury vibes, others sneak in more drama than a daytime soap opera. We are talking engines that quit like disgruntled employees, headlights dimmer than your ex's excuses, and transmissions that ghost you mid-drive. If you thought your in-laws were high maintenance, wait till you meet some of these cars. Buckle up, this is the automotive horror story you don't want to star in. Number 15. Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen aimed to take on Honda and Toyota in the compact SUV market with the Taos, but the attempt fell short. The 1.5-liter turbo engine is underpowered, and drivers report delayed acceleration and random stalls, a serious concern when safety is on the line. Even after repairs, problems often reoccur. Check engine lights, fuel system issues, and electronic malfunctions plagued the Taos. Some owners even had trouble fueling up, needing multiple attempts just to fill the tank. With nearly 100 complaints to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, this is one Volkswagen SUV best left behind. Number 14. Nissan Altima, 2013 to 2018. Once considered a practical family sedan, the Nissan Altima has become infamous for poor reliability. From faulty headlights to hoods flying open while driving, the list of complaints is long and concerning. But the real villain is the continuously variable transmission. Drivers experience gear slipping, jerky performance, and costly repairs. Even with extended warranties, many owners were left footing the bill. Continuously variable transmission requires special fluid and regular service every 40,000 to 50,000 miles, costing up to $350 each time. Earlier Altima models were more dependable, but recent ones, not so much. Number 13. Infiniti QX60. The QX60 may look like a high-end SUV, but it's hiding some expensive secrets. Models from 2014, 2015, and 2017 are especially problematic. Most issues stem from the transmission, known for sluggish shifting and unexpected breakdowns. The auto-wheel drive system saps power, and the overall driving experience feels sluggish. Despite its luxury branding, the QX60 often leaves owners overwhelmed with maintenance bills and stuck at the repair shop far more often than they'd like. Number 12. GMC Sierra, 2014 to 2015. GMC's Sierra full-size pickup should be a dependable workhorse, but the 2014 and 2015 models have fallen short. Frequent complaints include air conditioning failures, with repairs costing more than $1,100. Other common issues include engine noise, lifter replacements, up to $5,000 without warranty, and problematic transmissions. Worst of all, the headlights. They are so dim some drivers say a flashlight would be more useful. This led to a class action lawsuit due to serious safety concerns. Number 11. Jeep Wrangler, 2012. Beloved for its off-road appeal, the Wrangler also brings a long list of woes, especially the 2012 model. Consumers have reported engine overheating, oil leaks, and even metal particles contaminating the oil, posing a fire risk. Beyond the engine, the Wrangler suffers from constant rattles, squeaks, and electrical issues. Unless you are a hardcore off-roader, the constant mechanical trouble is not worth the iconic styling. Number 10. Chevrolet Uplander. The Uplander is widely considered one of the most unreliable American minivans. Electrical failures, fragile body parts, and untrustworthy power equipment make every drive a gamble. Paint and rust problems earned it the lowest possible rating in durability, and maintaining it will drain your wallet. Other brands like Honda or Toyota offer far more reliable alternatives. Number 9. Chrysler Pacifica, 2023. Don't be fooled by the sleek design of the 2023 Pacifica. Despite its modern features, it suffers from transmission issues, electrical faults, and underwhelming fuel economy. Even the plug-in hybrid variant is plagued by poor owner satisfaction. The build quality is subpar, and frequent breakdowns are expected. Mechanics often warn that owning a Chrysler means something will eventually break. The Pacifica is no exception. Number 8. Volvo XC60, 2013 to 2016. Volvo is usually associated with safety and quality, but the XC60 has serious engine reliability issues, particularly in models with 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter engines. A flaw in the piston rings causes oil to burn, damaging the pistons and cylinder heads. As the vehicle ages, especially beyond 100,000 miles, the engine can fail entirely, tanking its resale value. At a price tag over $50,000, many owners feel cheated. Number 7. Mitsubishi Mirage. Sure, it's cheap, but cheap doesn't always mean cheerful. The Mirage features a weak 3-cylinder engine, poor acceleration, noisy performance, and minimal interior quality. Safety is also a major concern, with poor crash test results and frequent airbag and brake recalls. Despite its budget price, owners spend around $5,195 in repairs over 10 years. And with no 2025 model coming, Mitsubishi is quietly pulling the plug. Number 6. Volkswagen Jetta, 2019 to 2021. Advertised as stylish and affordable, the Jetta suffers from a range of mechanical and safety problems. From transmission failures to electrical issues and engine stalling, many owners feel misled. Recalls for defective fuel lines and airbags only add to the concern. While some praise its fuel economy, others note that it lacks long-term dependability. Older models, like the 2009 version, had especially bad DSG gearbox issues. Number 5. BMW 3 Series, 2007 to 2013. The 3 Series might be fun to drive, but maintenance is no joke. Between oil leaks, power window failures, overheating engines, and steering problems, these models cost a fortune to keep running. Annual repairs can run over $1,000, and even minor fixes turn into expensive ordeals. Recalls for faulty airbags only add to the risk. It's quick on the road, but even quicker at emptying your wallet. Number 4. Renault Scenic and Clio, 2019 onwards. These European models are known for their unreliable electrical systems, with issues ranging from non-working windows to failing AC units. Even worse are the fuel leaks, especially in Scenic trims, due to pressure problems in the fuel lines. Drivers report banging noises, unpredictable gear shifts, and frequent breakdowns, making them both unsafe and impractical. Number 3. Jaguar XF, 2013. The 2013 Jaguar XF might strut onto the scene like it belongs on a red carpet, but behind the curtain, it's more horror show than Hollywood. Owners report that the supercharger has a flair for dramatic exits, often failing without warning, while the engine itself occasionally decides to play dead mid-drive. Imagine cruising down the highway only for your luxury cat to suddenly nap in traffic. Repairs? They'll claw right through your wallet, with bills soaring up to $6,000. Sure, the price tag on used models, $12,000, $18,000, looks tempting, but it's the kind of deal that lures you in like a siren, only to smash your budget against the rocks of endless repairs. This car may purr with elegance, but it bites with brutal maintenance costs. Number 2. Nissan Versa, 2012. This year's Versa stands out, for all the wrong reasons. It received 779 National Highway Traffic Safety Administration complaints and was subject to 10 recalls. One terrifying flaw allows the car to shift out of park without pressing the brake, creating a serious rollaway risk. Beyond that, problems with seatbelts, airbags, powertrain, GPS, and brakes are widespread. Even the Versa Note has similar flaws. The model is now discontinued in North America, and for good reason. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011. Taking the unfortunate top spot is the 2011 Grand Cherokee. It has a staggering 741 complaints, mostly centered around the totally integrated power module, a component so problematic it causes the engine not to start or stall randomly. Sun visor wiring is also prone to short-circuiting, which can lead to fires. Adding insult to injury, the brake booster was recalled for corrosion. It's a Jeep that left too many owners stranded, disappointed, and broke. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the worst cars on the road, give us a thumbs up so others don't end up in the same pit stop of regret. Got a lemon tail of your own? Drop it in the comments. We're all ears and a bit of engine smoke. Don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest car content that actually saves you money.